So today we are going to discuss about the Selenium. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the software testing. So right now we are going to discuss so many things like what is software testing, everything. So I'm asking you guys right now, what is software testing? What is software testing? Software testing means we are testing the application whether it meets the requirements or not, right or not? Okay, so validating the functionality of an application, okay, whether it meets the requirements or not. These are as expected as per the requirements specified or not. Okay, so observe here requirement. So client will give us the requirements regarding to the project, right? So after that, developer will develop the project basing upon the requirement, and with that, tester will going to test that project whether the project meets the requirements or not. It's a cycling process, no? Okay. So here we are saying that software testing means validating the functionalities of an application. So what is meant by the functionalities? Anyone?
Functionalities, basically like seeing the software with its functioning like as per the requirement or not.
Yeah. Modules are there, right? The modules we are calling it as a functionality. For example, if you take a bank project here, log into, okay, log into account is one functionality, balance transfer is one functionality, right? Observe. Key functionalities are working fine without any issues. Okay, these functionalities are working fine without any issues means these are already tested, so that these are working fine, right? Right? These are already tested. So that's why without any issues we are working these functionalities, right or not? And in a software company we are having different ways of testings are there, basically two ways. What are those, guys? Anyone?
One is manual testing and the other one is with software.
First one is manual testing, second one is automation testing. Okay, we are testing the application. Discuss so many things like what is manual testing. So let me know about what is manual testing and what is automation. No one is replied. We already discussed.
I was just gonna say, I said manual testing is done manually to find any defects.
Testing the application manually?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So whatever is exactly correct. Mean manual testing means we are testing the application tester efforts only, right? So automation. Automation means what? Automation means testing the application automatically by generating some scripts, right or not? Testing the application automatically by generating some scripts. So right now we are going to discuss one of the automation tool called Selenium. Okay, one of the automation tool called Selenium. So Selenium, okay guys, it's not a single tool, it is a set of tools. Okay, it is not a single tool, it is a set of tools like Selenium IDE, Selenium RC and WebDriver, Selenium Grid. Combination of these three we are calling it as a it's not a single tool. So first of all, I will explain you Selenium IDE. After that, RC, WebDriver, Grid, everything I will explain for you. Okay. Right now, I just give you some brief information like what is IDE, what is RC and WebDriver, everything. I will give you some brief information. So Selenium IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Okay. Integrated Development Environment. So here, just observe. Selenium IDE is a add-on for the Firefox. Okay. Observe guys, Selenium IDE is a integrated development environment. Means it's an add-on for the Firefox. By using IDE, we can only able to record and playback the. It is only used for the recording and running. That's it. Okay, and observe it is before going to discuss about the Selenium IDE. So right now we are going to discuss about the what are the advantages, what are the main benefits of Selenium. Okay, so for example, what is the main benefits of Selenium is first of all cross browser testing. Selenium supports cross browser. What? Selenium supports cross browser testing means we can able to execute our scripts of any browser. Okay, we can able to execute our scripts in Google Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, any browser we can able to execute. It just support cross browser testing. Whereas QTP is not supporting. QTP we can able to execute the script only is IE, Internet Explorer only. But whereas Selenium it supports all the browsers. Okay. After that, and also it supports platform independent. So guys, can you guess like what is platform independent? Do you have any idea?
No.
Yeah, what is platform independent? Any idea? Platform independent means observe. It supports all the operating system, all the OSs we can able to go ahead. Whether it is Mac, Windows, anything. But whereas QTP, can we go ahead with all the OSs? No, right? So it supports only Windows only. Okay. So, and the main thing is it's an open source tool, right or not? It's a open source tool. So means open source tool means what? What yeah? Rupali, can you guess like open source means what? Separa?
I think there's a free software maybe.
Exactly. We don't need to purchase any license, right? Like you did. It's a freeware. Anywhere we can able to execute it. It's a freeware. Okay. So like that we are having most of the main advantages are there. So observe here. Right now is it clear? Everybody? Guys, so observe here, it's an open source tool. Means we cannot able to purchase anything, like it's a freeware tool. Okay, so observe. So right now we are going to discuss about the IDE. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Okay, Integrated Development Environment. So in this, IDE is only used for the recording and playback. Okay, it's an add-on for the Firefox. IDE is an add-on for the Firefox. So in a Firefox only we can able to recording and running. But you said that is a cross-browser testing. Now here you said like only Firefox only. Yes. In order to execute IDE scripts in different browsers, we can go ahead with the Selenium RC and WebDriver. Okay, by using this concept, we are going to execute our IDE scripts in different browsers. I will explain you. So RC means we are invoking the server. Okay, so by using the server, we are invoking the browser. On which browser you want to execute, just invoke the browser, then invoke the IDE scripts on that browser. So WebDriver means server is not required. Directly we can able to execute our things. After that, Selenium grid. So it is for compatibility testing. I will explain you. If you want to execute your script in a multiple machines at a time. So for example, I want to execute a script multiple OSs like Mac, Windows, everything. Then by using the Selenium grid, in a Selenium grid, node and hub concept is there. By using that one, we can able to execute this one. So having an idea, right now, are you having an idea, guys? So yeah, what about Josman, Rupali? What about, is it clear? So, yeah, Rupali, what's your operating system? It's Windows or Mac?
Mine is Mac.
Okay. And Cipra, what is your operating system? Okay, you're joined through. Josman, what is your operating system?
Windows 10.
Okay. So, Rupali, first of all, I just make you a presenter. Okay. Just share your screen. Do you install Firefox in your system, Rupali? So guys, I will explain you how to install Selenium IDE. Okay? So depending upon that one, just install yourself. It's an easy one.
I don't have Firefox.
Okay. First of all, just open any browser. First, we need to install Firefox. Yeah, just open a browser and just open google.com. Google.com. Under this, Firefox. Firefox for Mac.
Sorry, Firefox for Mac.
Yeah, just click on that one. Free
This one?
download. Click on free download.
Oh,
Yeah, click on free download. Yeah, it is downloading.
it's downloading.
Yeah, just a second. After downloading, observe guys, just follow the same path only. If you have Firefox, do not install it. If you are not, first of all, install the Firefox. Is it downloaded? I think it is in process, right?
It's still in the process. Says 3 minutes left.
And here seleniumhq.org is there. So that is the official website for the Selenium, guys. Okay, seleniumhq.org. Observe seleniumhq.org, the official website for the Selenium. So seleniumhq.org, here we may find like projects, downloads, right? Whatever the downloads we are having, just go to the downloads. We can able to download all those things. Okay. So of course we can able to Google it also, just for I'm saying. Okay. So remaining 19 seconds are there. So after finishing this one, just execute that one, Rupali. Mozilla Firefox. Yeah, 1 second left. Yeah, I think it's finished. Just double click on that one. My charger just execute. Yeah. Just execute.
Then bring it here.
Hmm?
It's happening. No, it should be in applications.
Yeah, go ahead. Here it is. Just double click on the Firefox. Open.
Continue.
Hmm. Yeah, please continue. Done. Not now. Okay. So this is the Firefox browser, right? So, so here I want to install IDE. So how we are going to install IDE? I already told you, right? seleniumhq.org is official website, right? Go to downloads. So here, so just slowly drag it down, Drupali. Just slowly drag it down and find like Selenium IDE.
Selenium ID.
Yeah, slowly down.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
This.
So this is Selenium ID, right? So here it is asking me download latest version, release version, right? Okay. So observe if you clicked on that one from add-ons mozilla.org. Observe, I told you already it's an add-on for the Firefox, right? Just an add-on for the Firefox. What it is asking, it is asking me to add to Firefox, right or not?
Yeah.
So
Not now.
no, restart no, restart no. Why? Because it's not going to restart total system. Just a Mozilla Firefox can restart it.
Oh, okay.
Restart now. So Firefox is coming up now. Just find out ID is installed or not. This is a Firefox one, right?
Yeah.
So right, okay, I'm going to customize here in the history. I'm going to customize. ID is here, right or not? Selenium ID. So I want to place in this toolbar, right? How means right? Just right click, add to toolbar. So ID is added over there, right or not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So by using this ID, if you click on that one, ID is going to open. This is Selenium ID. Okay. So this is the ID, right? So here, generate and execute the script manually without recording option. Is it clear, guys?
Yeah.
So how we are going to record this? So here it is the option to record the script. Okay, record this meeting. Okay. So if you click on that one, we can able to record this. Just click and observe what I'm doing. I'm going to generate some script. And one more point I have to explain you that. So this is for the Selenium ID is for the Selenium is for only web-based application. Windows we cannot execute this. Okay. So right now I just want to go ahead with the google.com. Okay. So right now I can go ahead with I just want to search for the Selenium. And while recording time, maximum try to do manual operation. So in this situation, what you are doing, so directly entering instead of entering with a mouse pointer, just try to click on search button. Means try to do manual operations. Okay, guys.
Okay. And why is that?
So I just want to click on Selenium web browser. Under this, I just want to click on download. So go to IDE and observe whatever the actions we are performed, that related script is generated here, right or not? But in the QTP, what happened? That VB script it is generated, but here that related script will be executed, will be generated in the form of command, target, and value. Okay. So here this is the same option to stop the recording. It says now recording, click to stop recording, right? If you click on that one, it is stopped. Recording is stopped. So how to execute this script? Okay. So here it is the option to execute this script. And observe before that one. So here it is asking the fast mode or slow mode. Which mode you want to execute? So better every time better you just put in a slow mode. Why? Because your application speed is compared with internet. So that better to put in a slow mode only. Okay, so it's recommended, slow mode only recommended. If you are putting in a fast mode means your application speed is compatible with the speed is compatible with the application speed. Okay, so right now just put in slow to execute the test case. Okay, so observe, just click on that one. So observe, background it is executing, guys. Just observe, background only it is going to execute. And in the lock panel, so lock panel means what? whatever the thing we are generated, okay, whatever the line it is executing, it's a line by line it is displayed, like executing this line. So if we found any errors with a red color mark, is error. Here it is error. Element link is not found, like, okay. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow we are going to discuss some more concept. Why? Because today 2-3 members are not joined. So tomorrow we are going to discuss it different remaining concept. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Everybody
Okay.
clear?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So, I mean, the section is done, right?
What?
The today's section is done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, just a minute. So, so you said from tomorrow onward it is 10:30.
10:30 na? So I will drop a mail. Okay, Josman, I will call you or drop a mail. Okay, regarding that.
Okay. Now I want to ask you one last question. Is there anything in the morning?
Morning na? Morning.